Hello and welcome to Placement Wala. I'm Muskan, co-founder of Placement Wala. So today I have brought very important hiring updates for all of you, for all the freshers and 2024, 2023, 2026, 2025 batches. Okay, so listen carefully. So our first hiring is in content, that is for graduate engineer role. So what they are asking from you is a bachelor's degree in computer science or IT or related field from a reputable institution, and you should have 7 CGPA and above, and you should have fundamental knowledge of computer science principles and at least hands-on experience on one programming language. So as you can see, Java, Python, .NET, C, JavaScript or SQL. So Python is needed almost everywhere. You will get on to see Python in other hirings also, and I have posted one hiring in the last video that was the skill only needed, and the skill needed was only Python. Okay, so yeah, you should definitely have hands-on experience on one programming language, and you should have good to have SQL, hands-on experience on SQL, because here are the technical skills as we can see. So knowledge of software development lifecycle SDLC is needed, and simple and complex knowledge of SQL queries and intermediate SQL queries also. So that's all for this hiring, and when you will apply on apply now, you will get onto this page. So it is very simple to, you have to fill out this page and do next. Okay, then you can register for this hiring. And then our next hiring is for Nokia, that is for software engineer role. It is a hybrid job, and what you will contribute here, you will design, develop, execute comprehensive test plans for functional system and regression testing. Okay, so testing and all is needed over here basically. And you should have degree in computer science engineering or equivalent. You should have hands-on experience in Python and JavaScript. Python came here again. And working experience in automation framework like Cilium, Cypress, Robot. Okay, and if you have experience in EMS and NMS products also, that will be a plus point to them. So if we come on to more details, it is a hybrid, it is a hybrid role. Okay, and it was posted just few days back, and you have 1 month to apply over here. Okay, so they all just need is bachelor's degree, and it is full time. So that's all for this hiring. You have to simply apply on apply now. So next hiring is in JIO, that is you will be hired as apprentice engineer, and it was posted again few 2 weeks back, I guess, and it is still live. So you should apply today only, because the last date is not given here. So for applying to the latest hiring, you should apply the day I am posting, okay? Because it can close anytime if the last day to apply is not given. And the location is Mumbai, and here are the job responsibilities. You can read that. And the education requirement is just BE in electronics and communication. So electronics and communication branch students can apply for this hiring, and freshers are only needed. Okay, and that's all for this hiring. You have to apply on apply now. So the last hiring, I mean last thing I'm going to tell you is about Tata Technologies. They are conducting a very good hackathon for the fresher, which will be a plus point in their resume. So they are offering a lot of things to you here. Okay, so how you have to register? First, you have to show your project registration. That is a stage one. Then stage two is virtual POC presentation. Okay, then stage three is final demo day. So there will be three stages, and what you will get, you can get cash prizes worth rupees 4.5 lakh. Okay, and special recognitions will be there, and even the top teams will get the internship offer. So you will get the internship offer also. So it is a very good opportunity for all of you. And here is the eligibility criteria. All final year and pre-final diploma engineering students pursuing BE, BTech and dual degree programs in India can participate in Innovent. Okay. So here are the key timelines. So it is already started, and the last day to apply is 30th of July 2025, and virtual PUC presentation will be in September, then final demo will be in January. So you have lot of time to prepare, so you should definitely apply. And first prize is 3 lakh, second is 1 lakh, and third is 50,000. So it's a good opportunity for all of you. I hope there are no doubts, and if there are any kind of doubts, I'm up for that. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more updates.